have here is a Longhorn Grille. This is on a 3rd gen RAM. This is obviously an aftermarket grill that I got from eBay. What I'm trying to do is I've bought some RAM letters. So I bought these RAM letters to fit in the grill. The problem with these is these letters are actually made to go on the real Longhorn grills or the Bighorn grills. So they really won't fit these aftermarket grills. The issue that I'm having is this bar in the center. So my plan is, and I've already kind of started, I'm going to cut this bar out and fill that in so it's flat here for the letters to sit, just kind of like this, and just paint that portion black again, and we'll see if these letters will fit. Okay, so I have the RAM grill off the truck here now. Again, the plan is to cut out this center bar, not completely, but at least the chrome part off of here, so we can fit these RAM letters right in there, and they should sit flat. At least that's the plan. So I'm going to take a Dremel tool and just cut the top half of this out, just the whole chrome part on this center bar, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I went ahead and used a Dremel tool, and I cut the center bar out of this grill here. I got the grill all taped and covered up so we don't get the rest of it scratched up. So now that I've got this cut out, so centerpiece, you can see it's kind of flimsy now. There's nothing holding it together. So my plan is I'm going to take this piece that I cut off from the top. I'm actually going to go from the back of it and glue this piece inside, and then we'll fill the top with something to give it some strength here so it doesn't break off. I've cut the top bar off here, the chrome piece, and I've glued it to the inside of it to give the piece some strength. Now we've got some gap left in between here. Now I'm going to take that and fill it with some Bondo or some fiberglass, and then we'll sand over it, smooth it out, and paint it black and blend it in, and then we'll see how it looks. So I have the grill all covered up, taped, and ready to paint. So we'll go ahead and paint this section that we cut out and filled in. We'll just paint it black, and most of it you're not going to see anyways because it'll be under the RAM letters. So let's go ahead and give it a coat of paint and paint the centerpiece black. Now we'll let this dry and cure for an hour or so before we attempt to put the letters on the grill. As of right now, it actually looks pretty good. Letters should fit. Paint that we did is fully cured now. So now we can go ahead and put these RAM letters in the grill. Here are my letters. These are supposed to be clip-ins, but obviously our grill is not original Longhorn Grille or anything. So these letters are not made for this. So their best bet is going to be to just glue them in here, space them right where they need to be, and I think that's what we're going to end up doing, is gluing them. That way they're secured. They're not gonna fall off on us or anything like that. All right, so here it is. I've finished gluing on the letters onto the grill, and they actually came out pretty good. I think they look pretty good. They're nice and solid, not gonna fall off. So what I used to glue those letters on was a 3M plastic glue. This stuff's really good. I'll leave a link for it in the description at the bottom. But it works really nice for any emblems or any plastic parts, really. It's really good stuff. Here's a little better shot at our grill. The letters are in the grill. I think they look pretty good. Again, that's my opinion. Some people might not like them, but I think they came out pretty good.